People and Technology, a world leader in the recovery of industrial printhead systems, presents Cribheads, a machine designed for the maintenance of any type of printhead. Cribheads generates gentle waves that constantly caress the nozzle plate of the printhead, keeping it always wet and preventing any particle from coming into contact with the nozzles. Its operation is very easy. We load the central tray with the corresponding product according to the type of printheads you want to keep. We select the temperature and the oscillation speed, and Cribheads takes care of the rest, taking care of your printheads for as long as you want. In addition, it offers a multitude of combinations to adjust to different types of printhead simultaneously, and it has a practical value that allows us to empty or replace the liquid in the central tray when necessary. Cribheads is perfect for combine with CleanJector and facilitate subsequent cleaning. Test different printheads quickly and efficiently. Prevent the printheads from drying out in those printers with colors that do not work daily. Cribheads, the definitive solution to maintain your printheads always like new.